Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements are incorrect with reference to the political systems of Canada and India? 1. Canada follows the Westminster-style parliamentary system similar to India. 2. In both Canada and India, the Prime Minister is the head of state and head of government. 3. Unlike India, Canada has a federal structure with powers divided between the centre and the provinces. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer B. Statement 1 is correct. Both Canada and India have adopted the Westminster-style parliamentary democracy derived from the British system. Statement 2 is incorrect. In both Canada and India, the Prime Minister is the head of government, not the head of state. In Canada, the head of state is the British monarch, represented by the Governor-General. Statement 3 is incorrect. India also has a federal structure with powers divided between the Union and the states as provided in the Constitution via Union, State, and concurrent lists. Consider the following with reference to the Indian Armed Forces. 1. The Chief of Defence Staff, CDS, is the principal military advisor to the Defence Minister of India. 2. The Indian Navy is responsible for safeguarding India's land borders with neighbouring countries. 3. The Indian Air Force operates under the administrative control of the Ministry of Home Affairs. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer A. 1 only. Statement 1 is correct. The Chief of Defence Staff, CDS, is a 4-star general and the principal military advisor to the Defence Minister on tri-service matters, Army, Navy, and Air Force. Statement 2 is incorrect. The Indian Navy is responsible for maritime security, coastal defence, and protecting India's interests in the Indian Ocean and beyond. Statement 3 is incorrect. The Indian Air Force, IAF, is one of the 3 wings of the Indian Armed Forces and functions under the Ministry of Defence, not the Ministry of Home Affairs.